Hi, my name is Siyana. I'm going to be showing you how to use a 3D printer. This is my first time using the 3D printer. I'm going to make Christmas decorations. So let's get started. To start with, I want to make a world. The prints I picked was a present and a Christmas tree and a deer and a nutcracker. Next, we started the prints. My uncle helped me with the slicer. I helped by picking the colors. Then I started the print. The printer got ready, then started printing. It was very slow. I went to watch the TV. Now enjoy the time lapse and my singing. Christmas pudding, steaming hot, steaming hot. Sprinkle on the sugar, sprinkle on the sugar. I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas. What a Happy New Year. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above in the sky, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now I'm going to show you the finished print. I like how they're printed. The present needs to put together. I found it really easy, and I showed my uncle how to do it. The tree went nice, but the star it didn't go nice. My uncle will print the star later on. The nutcrackers printed really well. I'm gonna paint it on Christmas. I'm gonna paint it on Christmas. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas from me and CraftandHue. Like and subscribe and 6, 7. Bye.